My dear Sai, naalala ko pa nung araw na muntik na tayong hindi magkasundo. Hindi ko na mapigilan ng sarili ko. Pumunta ako sa church. Pagtalikod ko, nandun ka na. And then, sinabi ko kay Lord, Lord, this is the man.
Golden leaves looked brown to me. The world had less color without you.
Sabi nga nung mga ka-office mate ko, Katrina, you're a Disney princess. When I woke up in the morning, my breakfast is already prepared. And then sometimes, galing siya sa site, aasikasuhin pa din niya ako.
I know plenty of people with eyes closed. They don't see you like I do. Darling, I do. Notes on the keys meant nothing to me.
Huli mo pala.
The world
Sana huwag ka magbago. Ako rin.
Nakalala kami sa work, parang nagkaroon kami parehas ng heartbreak. Ayun na, everyday na kami magkausap.
Lahat ng trials na nangyari sa amin over the years, talagang full support, super grateful.
I know plenty of people with eyes.
Anak, basta tandaan mo, mahal na mahal kami ni Papa. Nandito lang kami para sa inyo lagi ni Kat. Best wishes and congratulations in advance.
Nak, congrats sa inyong dalawa ni Kat. Magsama kayo ng maayos, ha?
Yay! When we first shared our heartbreaks, I never imagined those conversations would be the very thing that held us and led us yung alalang ko ba yun? Dahil dun sa pag-uusap na yun, unti-unti tayo nag-see. Since then, I have loved you more every day.
I know plenty of people with eyes closed. They don't see you like I know. Plenty of people with eyes closed. They don't see you like I know.
Una kay Lord. Salamat po. Thank you sa pag-effort nyo na pumunta dito lahat kahit sobrang layo sa atin.
Congrats, best wishes.
Mama, Papa, sa aking mga magulang, maraming salamat sa lahat. Sa inyong pagmamahal, gabay, at sa lahat ng sakripisyo na ginawa ninyo para mabuo ko kung sino.
Darling, I do. Darling, I do. See you.
I vow to love you, not only on the best day, but especially on the worst. To remind you every day how beautiful and worthy you are.
Ngayon, in the presence of God and all the people you love, I vow to support you in every dream and every challenge, to stand beside you, to take care of you, and to love you fully every day for as long as I live.
All the good things happen
Ay, Sai, this is it. Kasal na natin. I love you always, and today I get to marry not just my partner but my best friend. Here's to forever with you, my love.
Happy wedding day, my love. Dalawa yung regalo ko kasi yung isa dapat birthday mo kahapon. 2 gift, 1 love, just for you. I love you, Sai.
So hold me tight, because we're running.
Today, my dear brothers and sisters, we celebrate a love story that did not begin with fireworks, but with something even more beautiful. Ordinary days that turn into extraordinary days.
Pangako ko na magiging Sandalan mo ko sa lahat ng pagkakataon, sa saya, sa lungkot, at kahit sa pagkakataon, ang hirap magpatuloy. Sai, I will stand by your side through every trials, every ordinary day in between. I will celebrate your victories as it were my own. I will hold your hands when the life feels heavy. Ikaw ang hinga ko, ikaw ang lakas ko, at ang aking inspirasyon.
In case we're running out of time, I want you to stay by my side. I hope you always will.
With pride and certainty, ikaw, Katrina, ang pinipili kong maging kasama at kabiyak ng aking buhay, sa hirap man o sa ginhawa. Ikaw ang aking tahanan, at ikaw ang nais kong makasama sa bawat hakbang ng aking buhay. I love you.
Love you.
My dear brothers and sisters, let us welcome our newlywed couple, Mr. and Mrs. Cyril Nino Gonzalez and Katrina Gonzalez, with a round of applause.